Oh, right. What the heck is going on?
So this one will tell your front to rear bias. It's actually not too bad, right?
No.
But that's the rally car settings.
Oh, look at that. We got some fancy scales. Got JB here.
Fan.
So that's not bad. 936, 952, and 698 and 669. But when you sit in the car, it actually evens out quite a bit. 58 to the front, 42 to the rear, and 3255. So, I was hoping for 2600. Probably would be without the roll cage.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll cut that out and we'll race with that later.
Just can't wear any underwear.
No.
Or shoes or anything.
The guy's pretty brave driving naked. Those crazy
light.
Canadians. Oh, that's pretty cool. So yeah, we were just screwing around, putting more spring tension on one than the other, and this is about as good as we got it. And I'm okay with that. And I know it's not a Porsche with a 50-50 weight split, but 58 to 42, I'm okay with that.
Yeah, but Porsches, you go around a corner and it'd spin out and your ass would go into the weeds.
That's true. But what I don't have yet is the back section on the bumper here. So that'll actually add
About 3,000 pounds.
yeah. Once I do all my fancy louvers and actually the fans, yeah, no, I'm gonna be 3,500 pounds when I'm done because I'm missing the bar right here. We've got our fluids kind of on the engine, but yeah, right on.
That's all we got.
That's all we got. The rest of the weight is gonna be spread evenly, so nice.
Nice.
He's texting his wife saying,
No, I'm not. No, don't look at it.
You can't see
Everyone
it.
just saw. I'm looking up Harvey's coupons. Because I'm a fatty.
Yeah, I thought that he was texting his wife saying, I'll be home soon. Okay, we carry on.
Just sending dick pics to everyone.